You man, me fight the flu. Them no want sick, you man. For today and for 14 days, I'll be doing a juice fast, juice and smoothie. So today is March 1st, and I'm starting my day with some lime and water. I started my day with a 7-minute workout from YouTube. I didn't get to video, but as you can see, I'm sweating. So now I'm going to have my lime and water first thing. Okay, time to take on my day. So before I go outside, I'm going to prep some juice so I can have it to drink when I'm ready. So I'm just making a cucumber and ginger drink and just leave it in the fridge. One thing that I'm going to try to do is prep at least my 2 first juice for the day before I go to work. In that way I won't come in and get lazy and just grab the whole fruit. So this is for when I'm ready. As a farm girl, you'll realize that most of my videos shot somewhere on the farm because I'm always outside. So today I'm having cane, third meal for the day, and yes, cane is just juice because I won't eat the trash. Day 1 of juicing has been going great so far. The only thing is I am peeing a lot, but that's a good thing, right? So stop complaining. But yeah, it's just me and my cane over here. So day 1 of juicing, it's not easy when you're not used to it, to go with juice all day, you know. I don't have any headaches or anything. I'm more like hungry. So I whenever I feel hungry, I just drink. Oh, can't peel it like the professionals, but there you go. Yeah. It's sweet. Can go on. It's lunchtime and I'm having my cucumber and ginger, and of course I have to have my straw that matches with my juice. Today is day 30 and my second day of juicing. Day 1 was a little bit rough because I was hungry, but I held on strong. So now I'm just doing some carrots and turmeric. So I don't have any orange straw to match up today. It's refreshing. Nice. Juice number 2, carrots, turmeric, cayenne pepper. When you feel like you have the flu the way you go around, you have to fight it naturally. So this is turmeric. orange juice, grapefruit juice, ginger, cayenne pepper, and lime. Your mommy fight the flu, them. I don't want to sick your man. So for dinner, I'll be making a juice with tangerines, some apples, grapefruit, orange, and ginger. Yep, that's it. So it's dinner. Pray for me while I gear up for bed. But day one is completed.